Do you like cute and funny animal videos? Well, that is what we are going to look at today as we compare and contrast our paired passages. The first two paired passages that we're going to look at are about bears. This one is from a newspaper, and this one looks like is in informational text about bears. As you see, we can't see all of the answer choices, so about halfway through our time, I will move our slide up to where you can see all of the answer choices. So we have 3.5 minutes. Ready? Go. All right, that is our time. So our question is asking us, what is one difference between the newspaper article and bears? A, the newspaper article explains what happens when bears escape from the zoo, and bears explain what bears eat. This is giving us an example of what happened to a specific time when one bear escaped the zoo, not every time when bears escape the zoo. And so A is not our answer. B, the newspaper article tells about a small bear that escaped from the zoo. Yes. And bears explains what happens to bears when they escape from a zoo. That is not what we're getting from the informational text bears. So B is not our answer. C, the newspaper article tells about what a small bear ate when it was seen at a mall. Is that what this tells us? No, it does not. So C is not our answer. D, the newspaper article tells about a small bear seen in a neighborhood. Yes. And bears explain what bears eat. Yes, we have here they eat deer, fish, and other large mammals. So D is our correct answer. Let's take a look at some animals. We're going to pause there and let's head back over to our paired passages. Here we have George Washington, Father of Our Country, and The Legend of George Washington and the Cherry Tree. So I'm going to give you 3.5 minutes to read these, and again I will scroll down after about the first minute or so you can see the question and answer choices. Ready, go. All right, that is our time. Let's look at our question. It says both the biography, which is the first one, and the story, the second one, express the importance of A, overcoming challenges. There weren't really any challenges in the story that George overcame, so A is not our answer. B, earning the respect of others. So in the biography, we learned about how people trusted George and how he won their respect enough for them to ask him to be the first president of the United States. And here in the story, since George was honest with his father, he earned his father's respect, and he was proud of him for telling the truth. So B could be our answer. C, being a good leader for your country. And the biography is about George being a good leader, but this story is not about him being a leader of the country. It's about him when he was a child. D, telling the truth. So the moral of the story is it's good to tell the truth or to always tell the truth, but that is nowhere mentioned in our biography. So the answer here is B. Good job if you got B. Let's look at the animals. We are going to pause here, and that is the end of our comprehension lesson for today. If you are at home, please make sure you take a picture of your answers and upload it to this assignment, and then we're going to move on to today's word study.